Hey guys, Pastor Phil Yates from the Greater City Conference. Hope you're well, rocking it out, mineralizing your smoothies. There you go, that's right. We are doing the rock and mineral on it today. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, and that'll keep you updated when the honors are coming out. We're doing them weekly, but that could change. So keep informed. Let's get this rock and minerals on it. Before I even start, I just want to be honest with you. I wasn't overly excited about doing the rock and mineral on it, right? I was overly excited about doing the meteor on it. And the first requirement for doing the meteor on it is do the rock and minerals on it. So we're doing the rock and mineral on it. I'm sorry for those that are keen for rocks and minerals. Hey, rocking on. I'm loving it too. You get it? Rock. Yeah. So we're doing it today. This is awesome, but keep tuned because I'm going to do the meteor on it. There's no doubt. First requirement, distinguish between rocks and minerals. What are they? Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic solid with definite chemical composition, crystalline structure, right? Rocks, on the other hand, are a collection of one or more minerals. Define and name two examples of the following rocks. Igneous. Igneous rocks come from molten magmas formed at high temperatures. We're talking about volcanoes. Cooled in the ground, they're called intrusive, and that's granite, right? Cooled above the ground, extrusive, that's basalt. Sedimentary rocks are laid down many layers of strata by water. Unconsolidated rock, the sand and mud, it's called sediment. And the consolidated rock is called the sedimentary rock when it all comes together, right? So in between these can be fossils, and that's where fossils are found. Some examples of this is sandstone and limestone. Metamorphic is the Greek word for transform. Rocks that change the heat, pressure, or water or other liquids kind of permeating it. Examples of this is slate transforming into shale and limestone transforming into marble. What is meant by the Mohs scale of hardness? And name the minerals in the Mohs scale. Well, Mohs were named after Friedrich Mohs, who lived from 1773 to 1839. He was a German guy that studied minerals and conceived the idea of a list of minerals in ascending order of hardness, and each unable to be scratched by the ones preceding it. So, yeah, that makes sense. So the first one on the list is talc, gypsum, calcite, fluoride, apatite. I know that wasn't a mispronunciation. Apatite, feldspar, quartz, topaz, corundum, and diamond is the last one. So if talc's at the beginning, number 1, diamond's at number 10, we're talking about minerals, usually 6 and below. Gemstones, usually 7 or more. And he determines that by what can be scratched by what, right? Define the following terms. First term, cleavage. This is the way the minerals split in a certain direction. Specific gravity. This is the relative weight of the mineral compared to the equal volume of water. So we're talking about density here. The density equals mass over volume. Mass is the weight, and we all know what the volume is. Density of substance over density of water. So the density of gold equals, 19,300 kilograms per meters cubed, right? Density of water is 1,000 kilograms per meters cubed. Hence, specific gravity of gold is 19.3 because we divide 19,300 by 1,000. Therefore, and this is a really cool thing about specific gravity, it can tell you how much is submerged in the water. So if we put gold in the water, we know at 19.3 that the percentage of that is greater than 100%. So therefore, if gold is submerged in the water, it can only go to 100%. I know it's more than 100%, but it can only go to 100%. So For instance, if we do something else like a wood, let's say a wood is 200 kilograms per meters cubed, and the density of water we know from the last sum was 1,000 kilograms per meters cubed. Hence, the specific gravity of wood would be 0.2. Now, 0.2 is 20%. So 20% of the wood would be submerged in the water. And we can do that with ice. I mean, ice is like, 0.9, so nearly 90%. And that's why the majority of the ice is under the water. 90% of the ice would be underwater, right? Luster. Luster is the way in which a mineral reflects, refracts, or absorbs light from its surface. And they give a name to that. So a diamond is brilliant, the brilliant design diamond. Glassy quartz and pearly gypsum. So there's different names for the different effects of the light on the surface. Color. The color is the way the mineral looks on a freshly broken surface, and this can change. So it could be a green, could be a blue, could be whatever it looks like on a freshly, because it changes, right? That's why they say freshly cut surface. Texture is the character of the mineral surface. So what does it look like? And give that a name. Krystal. A crystal is a solid whose atoms, molecules, or ions are packed in a regularly ordered repeating pattern, extending all three spatial dimensions. So all three spatial dimensions, it's going out in the same pattern. Snowflakes, diamonds, and salt are examples of this. Number 5, name 4 uses of rocks and 4 uses of minerals in society. So rocks, the pumice is used for cleaning. Marble is used for building. Basalt is used for road making, and slate is used for roofing. In the minerals, graphite is used for lubricant. Gypsum is used for plaster. Halite is used for preserving, which is salt. And quartz is used for glass and TV. That's the honour, guys. So we're going to go through what you need to do now. The first one, I don't want you to get too excited about it. We are going to go through this, and in the South Pacific Division, there's kind of a different way of doing it. So it says collect at least 15 different specimens and name them correctly. Label each specimen, the name of it, the date, and the place it was found. But what we're asking you to do, if you want to do it alternative, you can do that. But if you want to do alternative, 3 high quality photos with the accompanying explanation for all those things. Therefore, you need 45 photos if you can do 15 species or specimens, right? So 3 photos, high quality photos per thing. Requirement 2, tell 4 Bible incidents where a rock was significant. For example, David and Goliath, 1 Samuel 17. David picks up them stones, right? What are the foundations of the New Jerusalem, the city of the New Jerusalem, found in Revelation 21? So look up Revelation 21. We want you to list all the names. Make sure you put all this on the worksheet, yeah? There's a worksheet that goes through it, and you'll find that worksheet in the description below. Discuss, this is the 4th one and final one. Discuss a rock or mineral that is significant in your area. So wherever you live, discuss a rock or mineral that is significant in that area. That's the honour, guys. There it is there. The rock and minerals. Keep tuned for the meteor honour. We're going to do that. Get the worksheet. Download that from the comments below or the description below. Get yourself or send that in. Get the certificate and get the honour. Enjoy. Loving it. Keep rocking on.